Software development is a dynamic, ever-changing field, with a number of different specialties and variations to explore. Front-end developers focus on the components the user will interact with, while back-end developers focus on the software aspects users do not directly interact with. The infrastructure of a program, for example. Full-stack developers specialize in front-end and back-end work, making them particularly valuable and versatile within the field. Pursuing full-stack work is both rewarding and challenging. It involves extensive knowledge of programming languages and the ability to synthesize software expertise with rapidly evolving technologies. Those up for the challenge of employment as a full-stack software developer are rewarded with purpose and meaningful experience, as well as an increase in value and rates. The highest paid full-stack developers are located in North America, and our company Sonatafy Technology is the starting point to connect and offer developers like you with the necessary tools to take the first steps into a new career. You can learn more by following the link on the description box below, and check out more videos in our Sonatafy Defined web series.